What is good, you guys? It's your boy Nick back with another episode on Toasty Media, man. I haven't made a freaking episode in forever. It's probably been honestly about a year, I'd say. But a lot has happened since the last time I made a video. I mean, a lot has happened. For a couple of things, just basic elephant in the room. Your boy had a kid, man. So I'm not saying that car stuff ain't going nowhere, because it's not. I'll still always forever be doing car stuff, but you know, it's got to be on the back burner for just a little while. But even when I say it's on the back burner, we actually bought a couple of things for this car since I've been gone. Your boy just got back from Iraq not too long ago. You know, I had to leave early because I had a kid, so they sent me back early. So I've been just chilling here for a minute, and actually I'm finally able to, I got a place now. I got a place that's relatively same place that I lived before, actually. But yeah, man, I just cleared out the garage to put the Golf in here because we got stuff to do to it, you know, when your boy gets some free time. But what we're gonna do now, damn, man, you need a fucking muffler for that shit. But nah, man, we're about to go to the car wash, take a little drive. It's just down the hill, but basically we're just gonna do a little talk and just say what's up, man. I haven't seen, or you know, I haven't made a video in a year, so y'all probably haven't heard from me in forever, you know what I'm saying? If you follow me on Instagram though, you've seen the little things here and there that I did. I tried to stay as active as Instagram as I can, but what are you gonna do when you're sitting in the desert doing nothing, and then, you know what I'm saying, then I had a baby, so I was not focused on anything YouTube related. But now I feel like I'm in a place now I can finally focus more on my YouTube career. But we finally got some good news, so let's get it. Alright, y'all, so hopefully this view's looking pretty good. I'm trying to get the preview. Like, I'm just driving through my neighborhood right now, just trying to get the preview. But I think we're good, so we're about to head out of the neighborhood as of right now, and about to get started. I was gonna say, granted, the car wash ain't too far. Like I said, it's literally just down the hill. So we really just taking a little trip. But mainly though, the whole point of this video is just to like tell y'all where I'm at, like how, not where I'm at, but how, no, where I'm at in life, that's what I meant. Well, with that being said, your boy, I don't know if y'all ever knew, but because I really didn't publish it or talk about it or anything, because I really don't, I'm not a fan that I'm in the military. Like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, man. Like, your boy's got 2 months left in the military, hopefully 2.5 months roughly left in the military until he's done after 9 years, man. Like, I ain't trying to toot my own horn, but I'm glad I'm getting out at the time that I am getting out, because if I had to get out any later, it'd almost be no point. You might as well just stay in and do the full 20 years for retirement. But I'm getting out, and hopefully I'm looking at a job, hopefully somewhere, basically literally the quite opposite to New York State. Like right now, I'll tell you, I live in upstate New York. I'm looking at the place that's complete opposite of this. Like, if you think of New York, this is the polar opposite of New York, man. Like, this state that I'm going to is completely opposite. I'm not saying for sure that I'm going there, but oh my gosh, bro, this parking sensor. But I'm like 95% certain that's where I'm going, depending on where your boy gets hired at. But that's where we're on, man. Ooh, let's see here, how much is it? $12. Definitely, I don't ever do the wax. I don't do that stuff. It just leaves wax on your car. But shoot, we're gonna be right back. Let me pay for this real quick. All right, we in the wash, so it's doing the pre-soak first, and then it's gonna do all the other steps. Hopefully I can get everything I want to say in by the end of this wash. It's probably gonna be hella loud in here or once the water comes on, but it's whatever. So yeah, your boy was in Iraq, man. I was in Iraq for a little bit. Then I had to come out, had a baby. You know, I had my wife, she went back to South Korea where she's from, and we had our baby there. And then I had to move everything back into this new apartment, and now we're here. So we finally got everything situated enough to where I was able to put this car in the garage so I can start working on it. I bought some goodies for this car. Actually, I bought the last thing that I wanted for this car before I started going crazy with it, with, you know, turbos and intercoolers and all that other stuff. Your boy did buy port injection kit from EQT. Your boy also bought a new intake, because the intake that's on here, I hate it. I absolutely hate this K&N intake. I don't like it. It just looks so ugly. It really does. But this intake that I did get, it's coming in a video very soon, probably tomorrow. I just want to see how this video does. I'm probably gonna, you know, upload that video tomorrow because I ain't got nothing going on other than taking care of my kid. But you know, it's enough time to install an intake, I think. So hopefully we can get that done. I'm not gonna say where the intake's from or nothing. I'm just gonna leave no details because I'm pretty sure I'm the first person to ever install this intake on a Golf R and post it on YouTube. I don't think there's been a single person. So your boy's real proud of this one because I've been eyeing this intake for, I'd say, at least 2.5 years probably. I knew about this intake whenever I was in South Korea, but it was so expensive. It was so much, and you know, for me at least, I just was like, dang, I want it, but I can't come up with that kind of money just for an intake, you know what I mean? Like, it just didn't make any sense. But your boy came into some money recently, so I just kind of was like, well, I can get that for a birthday gift. And then it took 6 months for them to make it. It normally doesn't take them 6 months for them to make it, but yeah, I ordered it in September of this year. I just got it like a couple days ago. I got it, I think, like January 3rd or 4th. So, you know, it's been a hot minute. It's been roughly 6 months since I've been waiting on that intake. Because at first I didn't think I was going to get it at all. But then I have a couple other things that I want to put on the car. Few small things. Not really crazy. Just trying to get this car to where I want it. And then wait for the freaking winter to pass, and then hopefully spring they stop, you know, with all the salt and stuff, and then we can go finally track this car, because that's one thing I've been wanting to do, man. Like, I bought this car in the intentions of turning it into a track car, and your boy ain't really had a chance to track it because military life and just, you know, regular life been in the way. So I'm hoping that I can find some time to finally take this car to the track, because I feel like it would do really good. I really do. But actually, I did find a flyer. There is a couple events coming up, like late spring, early summer. A few of them are at Watkins Glen. See if my boy wants to go. He'll still be here. Hopefully he has his whip up and running by then. But man, like I'm telling you, I got some stuff coming. It's gonna be slow, but then I feel like once the spring comes, everything's gonna pick up faster and faster. I really hope that's how it's gonna work out. I don't know for certain because I'm not a freaking fortune teller or anything, but one can only hope. One can only hope, man. But looks like the car's drying now, so I'm gonna end the video because I'm not gonna end the video. I'm just gonna end this right here because y'all probably can't even hear me. I have to talk hella loud right now. All right, I finally got her in there. She fits like a glove, man. Which I didn't think that she wouldn't, but I ain't gonna lie. Of course, these guys give me the freaking apartment with the slight hill, so like any snow on these freaking Yokohama Advan Vios, what is it, V601s? Yeah, V601. Like, these tires obviously they ain't gonna cut it, bro. Yeah. Like, I definitely, even with an all-wheel drive car, slip on this little slight hill. But I made it up. It took some effort, but we made it. And I also got this car, which I still need to register it, but I drove it all the way up from Ohio. Got this bad boy for $1,900 bucks. It's my first Beamer, bro. Freaking 340i with an M54, so it's actually not that bad of a car, I think. I was gonna say it's actually one of BMW's better motors. It's the 3-liter. It works. Does have a couple faults, I ain't gonna lie, but me and my boy, we did get, like, it basically got a whole fresh tune-up for it though. It still runs funny, but I mean, it works for what we do. It's just for my wife to basically drive to and from, and a little bit more hell, just both of us really. I still got the Lanny. If anyone wants to buy that though, let me know. $5 grand and it's yours. I really am getting rid of this car. I'm done with it. I remember this was supposed to be the one that I was gonna boost and all that other. I'm done, bro. I'm done with this car. Fuck this car. I cannot stand this car. Like, honestly, it really just, it's like, why are you here? Like, honestly, man, if I go back in time and go all the way back, I would have honestly done what I would have done for this car, which was take out a loan. I would have done that, and then I would have put it towards something nice instead of that piece of shit. But it is what it is, man. But I hope y'all enjoyed this episode. This was just I'm getting back. Alright, my bad, y'all. The video actually only cut, like, the screen went black, but yeah, I'm getting back to making YouTube videos and whatnot. But I'll see y'all later. I'm Nick. This is a Golf. Those are regular cars. I'm out. Peace.